Caspar likes my ribbon. Ooh. Oh, look! Caspar likes playing dressing up too. I think Caspar would like to wear a hat. Do you think cats like wearing hats? Oh, I know they do. Completely. And maybe they like riding in prams. Oh, yes. They absolutely do.